Elon Musk has officially replaced Jeff Bezos as the richest person on Earth. I have an article in front of me right here, which I will link in the description box below if you guys want to go ahead and check it out for yourself. But the title is Elon Musk replaces Jeff Bezos as richest person on Earth. The article also goes on to say the Tesla and SpaceX founder has a net worth, check it, of $188.5 billion. That's not M, million, that's B for billion dollars, guys. That's absolutely mind-blowing. As you guys may or may not know, Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk have been going at it for what seems to be an eternity now, and that could be due to the space race. So both of these gentlemen have a company that's been trying to get to the moon, and from what I know, Elon Musk's SpaceX has been a lot more successful in working with NASA and being able to reuse rockets and that kind of thing. And it's kind of funny to watch these two go back and forth on Twitter, because when I think of the two, I think of Elon Musk as kind of Iron Man and more fit and smarter and cooler and more hip. And when I think of Jeff Bezos, I always picture that image of him sitting at the desk when he first started Amazon with the Amazon logo behind him, which actually I shouldn't even be talking about Jeff Bezos like that, because there have been pictures of him recently kind of walking around like the Hulk, and obviously he's been working out. He got divorced and has remarried a younger lady and is kind of re-imaging himself. But that's kind of what I think when I think of Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk. But yeah, let's check out what this article says. Elon Musk has overtaken Jeff Bezos as the richest person in the world, Bloomberg reported Thursday. Musk, who founded the electric car manufacturer Tesla and rocket maker SpaceX, has a net worth of $188.5 billion. What else does it say? Oh, so here's a funny tweet. Elon Musk tweeted out a couple things. He said, when this article first broke, he tweeted, "How strange." And then later on he tweeted, "Well, back to work." So he kind of brushed it off as it wasn't a big deal. I saw this coming, whatever you want to call it. He played it off as Mr. Cool, which I think is pretty funny. The article also goes on to say, although Bezos hasn't consistently held the title, he claimed the top spot in October 2018, surpassing the longtime holder of the richest person in the world, Bill Gates, who had a net worth of $160 billion. Guys, we're talking about billions, okay? This isn't millions. This isn't 100 million, 500 million. We're talking billions. This is nuts. But it also says neither Musk or Bezos immediately responded for a request for a comment. So what do you guys think about this news? Who do you side with more? Personally, I like Elon Musk because I'm a huge Tesla fan. I don't know who I've supported more in their endeavors. I'm constantly buying things on Amazon, like this microphone. By the way, if the audio sounds a lot better, I will link this microphone in the description box below if you guys want to go ahead and check it out. But yeah, like I was saying, who do you guys vote for? Are you Team Musk or Team Bezos? Let me know in the comment section down below and why. But like I was saying, I honestly have supported both. I bought a Tesla Model 3 for my mom. I have a Cybertruck on order. That's on the Tesla SpaceX side. And then on the Amazon side, I'm constantly ordering things. I'll do a full tour of my studio, and 95% of the things in here have come from Amazon. So I have supported both. But let me know what you guys think about this absolutely mind-boggling news as far as who the richest person in the world is. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comment section down below. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please go ahead and smash that thumbs up button, as it would greatly support my channel. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys in today's video. I'll catch you in the next one.